Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make our Scarlet Love necklace. This necklace design uses Swarovski crystal beads in 6, 8, and 10 millimeter, connected together with wire using simple loops, which is a great beginning beading technique to learn in just a few steps. To make this necklace, you're going to need 12 of the 6 and the 8 millimeter Swarovski crystal round beads in scarlet, and then you'll need the 11 of these 10 millimeter Swarovski crystal round beads in scarlet. You'll also need one 6 millimeter 18 gauge closed jump ring, a 12 millimeter silver base metal lobster claw clasp, 22 or 20 gauge round artistic wire, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutters. And you can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to make this necklace, we're just going to be connecting a bunch of simple loop links together. So to make a simple loop link, you want to take your wire, and we're just going to cut about 2 inch length of wire. And then you can also use 20 gauge or anything a little thicker if you prefer. I prefer 22 to 20 gauge wire when I'm making simple loops. 24 to 26 or anything thinner than that or smaller than that is just going to be too thin to work with for a simple loop, and it's just not going to be secure and hold up in your design. So I'm going to go ahead and use the 22 gauge here. You want to take your chain nose, about 3/8 of an inch down. You're just going to bend 90-degree angle, and then take your round nose. You're going to grasp that wire, the end of that wire, about halfway down, pliers there, and you're just going to rotate to make a simple loop. Okay, so then you want to just add your bead. So I'm going to do my 10 millimeter bead here. And then with 22 gauge, you can still use your finger to bend the wire, or you can use your chain nose pliers. But first, you just want to make sure that this length here is about 3/8 of an inch, just like the other end. Okay, so just cut. Okay, and then bend your wire 90 degrees. Take your round nose, same thing, just grasp that wire. Okay, and then just rotate around to form a loop. Okay, so there you have one simple loop link. And we just want to go ahead and create a couple more here, just to show you again. Cut about your 2 inch length of wire, 3/8 of an inch, bend 90 degrees. Okay, take your round nose halfway down, grasp that wire, and rotate. Okay, and then I'm going to take my 8 millimeter, and then cutting the wire 3/8 of an inch. And then just bending. And rotating around to create that loop. Okay, so there's 2. So you have your 10 mil, 8 mil, and I'm just going to do one more with the 6 millimeter. just to show you here. Okay, so cut your 2-inch length. Bend that wire 3/8 of an inch down. Take your round nose, grasp that wire about halfway down there. Then rotate around the pliers to create your simple loop. And put on your 6mm bead, and then 3/8 of an inch up. Just cut your wire, and then I'm just going to bend that wire 90 degrees. Take those round nose, just rotate around. And now you can see you have your 10, 8, and 6mm. So these are all the sizes that we're going to be using in our necklace. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat this simple loop link technique for the remainder of my beads here. So I'm going to have 11 more of the 6, 11 more of these 8mm, and 10 more of these 10mm to do. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up all of my simple loop links. So I have my whole necklace here. You can see that it's going to be the 6mm, that go to 8, and then 10 here at the bottom. And there's going to be 11 of the 10 right along here, and then there's going to be 6 8s on both sides here, and same with the 6mm. There'll be 6 over here, 6, and 6 of these 8s, and then 11 of the 10mm along here. So now I just need to connect these simple loop links, and to do that, you just want to take your chain nose. You can just start with your first 6mm. You just want to take those chain nose, and you're just going to open up that simple loop link by bringing that end towards you with those chain nose, opening that up. Okay, and then you take your next 6mm, and you're just going to connect, attach that 6mm, take your chain nose, and you're just going to close that loop back up. Okay, you can just make sure all the loops are just nice and closed up. There you have the first 2 beads connected. So then you just want to go on to your next bead, open up that simple loop, and just attach the simple loop to that previous bead. Take those chain nose and just close that loop back up. See, now as you can see, just makes a nice loop that can be attached to the other loops to just create a nice secure necklace design. So I'm going to go ahead and just continue that, just adding each simple loop to the previous one here, and then I'm just going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, so now you can see that I have attached all these simple loop links to form a nice long simple loop necklace. So now at this point, all you need to do is add the clasp. So to do that, you just want to take those chain nose, grab one end, the 6mm, and just open up that simple loop. Take your lobster claw clasp, just attach that to the loop, and then close that back up. Okay, there you have one end of the clasp. And then for the other end, just open that up, those chain nose pliers, and just attach that closed jump ring. Oops. Then you just want to close up that loop. There you go. Okay, you can just attach the jump ring to that clasp. And there you have it. And now you have a simple and sparkly Swarovski crystal necklace to wear for any occasion. And you can find all of the tools and materials for this Scarlet Love necklace at fusionbeads.com.